Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always tuning. Today's video is all about home remedy, very effective and very nice. It was recommended for me through one of our family friend. I was having cold and flu, and the person recommended between 2 minutes the symptom and everything disappeared. So I decided to share it with you guys. So in this video we are going to be using natural honey, and you can see it. And this is bitter cola, which everybody know the health benefit and importance of bitter cola. So guys, I'm going to show you how to use it. We have two formula. You can see it. After peeling it, I'm going to peel it. You can see bitter cola. I'm going to peel it. So guys, the bitter cola is already peeled. You can see it now. This is the first formula that you are going to use. If you are somebody that to chew is very hard for you, so the first formula, when you peel it, when you want to chew it, when you're having cold and cough, you pour your honey in a bowl or a cup, then you use one bitter cola and chew it gradually. Then another formula now, if you are somebody that you cannot be chewing something, you blend it. You can see how I blended it. Don't sweep, don't filter it, don't sweep it, just blended it. You can see how I blended it. Look like milk, very nice and very tasty. So now what you need, just to add like 2 spoons of honey. You can see it, the quantity you want. At least this quantity, 2 spoons is okay. Then you just sip out of it a little, put it in your fridge refrigerator, and store it there. You can be taking it gradually, and you see it in the next 3 minutes. This is a very nice natural remedy that you need forever. You just try it and you get back to me. It work like magic. I use it and it work for me. I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, it's very simple, and the remedy is very fast and relief. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up this video and share it and like and drop your comments in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. I love you.